on here? I only see 2 turkeys and 4 other birds.
What? Oh, okay. Let me explain. Listen here. What's your name?
Annabelle.
Okay, Annabelle. We are turkeys, and they are friends of turkeys, which makes them turkeys too? Yeah. That's right.
Well, according to my eyes, I see 2 turkeys.
Nope.
A toucan.
Mm-mm.
A macaw. A flamingo. And a chicken.
I say we are all turkeys. 6 of us turkeys. Yeah, I'm thankful. I'm Gobbles. And my friends back here, well, yep, turkeys. That's what I say we are. Yes.
Okay, well, number 1, flamingos.
What do your eyes see?
I just told you what I see.
Boy, you gonna believe me or your lying eyes?
I think I'm gonna believe my eyes. Anyway, as I was trying to say, 1, flamingos don't even make a sound. 2, if you guys are turkeys, why don't they look like turkeys? And 3, they aren't turkeys because they can't gobble because they're not turkeys.
Okay, well, 1, they are who I say they are, and 2, you can be whoever you want to be, and 3, 3, I run this show. Y'all want to be turkeys? Yes, we want to be turkeys. Yes, we want to be turkeys. Thank you.
Okay, well then, how can this dog here whistle?
Ask him.
Well, shucks, I can whistle any day because, I'm a dog and
That's
dogs can whistle if they want to whistle.
There you go.
And I whistled. So therefore, I did what I wanted to do.
There you go. That's what I'm talking about, Annabelle. Now what? Oh, who's that?
What's going on here? There's a falcon. There's a turkey. 2 turkeys. There's a flamingo and a macaw and a chicken. What's going on here?
Tell you what's going on here. If you watch part 2, you'll find out.